किसी को आप कितना भी वेरिएशन ला दो ना, some things are just meant to be a certain way, and sattu is one of them.
Be like Sattu.
Be like sattu. Either I'm hungry or I'm happy. This
And-
is bagia.
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 Bagia. Really distorted this whole image because they show politicians with guns and everything. गुंडागर्दी हो रही है, but politics has changed. ये अरहर का दाल है ना?
I
It's
don't
yummy.
think वो मिठाई यहाँ पे मिलती है, दिल्ली में भी
I'll
नहीं
get it for
मिलती
you.
I am crying. I'm getting Ras Kadam from Shambhavi. It's kulfi. Wow.
I to have eaten fully on your show. I was continuously eating.
कल दौड़ लेना Shambhavi.
You can't like see a bunch of 3-4 people and judge the entire Dalit community based on that. कभी EVM को blame करते हैं, कभी election commission को blame करते हैं. Start taking responsibility for your actions.
If you could serve one dish to your political rivals, what would it be? The MP, Shambhavi Chaudhary, she's already there. So we are all set and we are all set to have this amazing, delicious lunch with her.
We have arrived. We have reached Bihar Niwas finally, but I feel the MP is gonna cancel on us. We'll be cancelled.
So this is the first time I have.
Hi,
I'm meeting a
hi.
politician who is before time. I'm so sorry. I'm late. We
No,
are
it's fine,
late.
it's fine, it's
I'm
fine,
so
it's
sorry,
fine.
but this is the new politician that we are talking about. Shambhavi Chaudhary, the new Gen Z MP who's setting new trends. Politicians are not always late. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And
We
thank
will
you
take.
for documenting this. I think I'm going to show it to
Of course, you're before time. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Shall I? Okay. Hello and welcome to the Indian Express. And after all the chaos and hullabaloo, and finally we are here seated.
Yes.
And I'm with Shambhavi Chaudhary, Member of Parliament from Samastipur,
Bihar.
and Bihar.
Yes.
Yes, and it's not a surprise to me that the youngest, one of the youngest MPs is from a state where I have a deep connection.
Yeah,
And
we're going to
Shambhavi,
explore that connection through this episode and try to find out what that connection is because she's not revealing it to me.
but this is mostly about you. And before we start, I've ordered a drink for you, and I'm guessing that you will like it because I have grown up drinking that. And let me just ask the person to Sattu Cooler. So
ये
it's coming.
सबका favorite drink है. I
हाँ.
think it's बहुत underrated है.
बहुत underrated है ना? क्यों लगता
I mean,
है
in
underrated है?
a generation where everybody is after protein shake, they don't realize कि sattu is the OG protein shake.
Exactly.
And I remember, like through my childhood, sattu was the thing we used to drink before school. Like एक होता है ना कि दूध की जगह हम लोग को सत्तू ही दिया जाता था.
Yes.
कि सुबह सत्तू पी के जा रहे हैं, keeps you full for longer, and
Exactly.
it's a nice start to the day with a lot of protein.
Yeah.
तो काफी underrated है. Recently I saw a reel on Instagram where they were like, oh, the OG drink sattu, and now everybody's like, oh my god, what is this? What is this? I want sattu. So yeah,
So a lot of people don't know Sattu is made up of chana, right?
Chana,
It's the
yeah.
chana powder.
Grinded chana powder.
Grinded, yeah. And you just mix it with water.
yeah.
And you can
have
add.
it. Yeah, you
What-
can
what's
have
the
a,
recipe that you follow when you are drinking
So
Sattu?
you can have a sweet sattu also. You can have a savory sattu also.
Yeah.
The sweet sattu is more basic. It's got
Yeah.
water and sugar
Yeah.
in it, but the savory one I like the best because it tastes like chaat, like a healthy
Oh,
chaat
yes.
mix. Like you add
Chatpata.
a little bit
Yeah.
of lemon,
Yeah.
some onions, green
Yeah.
chilies,
Yeah.
jeera powder, black salt, mix it and just have it. It's like chaat.
Yummy,
So,
yummy, yummy.
yeah.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Let's
Cheers.
take the first sip.
Yay. This is meetha sattu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really love it. I have
Yeah.
a sweet tooth.
Yeah.
I thought even you would have it. Considering that a lot of people
I
are
just
now
love-
off sugar and they have replacement like jaggery and whatnot.
Yeah.
But I really love the sugar.
You know, I think the thing about food is कि किसी को आप कितना भी variation ला दो ना, some things are just meant to be a certain way, and sattu is one of them.
One of them. Be like Sattu.
Be like sattu. Be real.
Be real. So, Shambhavi, firstly, thank you so much for agreeing to do this. And you are such an easy-going person. Like, literally, I was a little nervous. I
Why?
asked Deeptiman sir about you, if what kind of person you are, and she's very sharp, she's very smart. And I'm like, yes, I've seen her in the parliament.
Thank you.
So yes, she is really sharp. But yeah, once I met you, and you were so kind and humble because we were late, but you were still
I-
like patiently sitting while we did the whole setup. So thank you so much. High
You're
five to you
welcome. You're
on
welcome,
that.
and I think that's all. That's what all of us need, like a nice person to interact with all the time.
Yes, yes.
So I just try to be that nice person, जिसको सामने से किसी को मिलके भी अच्छा लगे. It's important to be that person.
Oh, I'm already feeling that vibe. Shambhavi, so quickly taking you through the format of the show.
Yes.
So what we are going to do is we will order our favorite meals here.
ठीक है.
You order yours, I'll order mine. And once it arrives, I'll keep a little bit of my food on the side for you to taste it later and give a rating to it,
Rating
if
to
you
it.
liked it
ठीक
or
है.
not.
Okay.
I mean, when I go out with my friends, you know, we are constantly eating from each other's plate. And sometimes I get really like sad that, oh shit,
Oh,
तुम
ये
लोग
तो
क्यों नहीं
सबके
order
साथ है.
किया?
I think this is not just with you; it's with everybody, and especially with vegetarian people. Imagine two people going out. One is a vegetarian, one is a non-vegetarian.
Are you a vegetarian?
I am a vegetarian,
Oh
so
my
all
God.
non-vegetarian friends eat my food, but I can't taste theirs. So it's not equal.
It's not equal. Okay, thank you for
But-
the heads up, because
Uh-huh.
I'm going to order something that you can taste.
Yes.
And you can enjoy it
Done.
also. And I hope I get a good rating
No,
and it
you
lives up
will.
to your expectation. But we are at Pot Belly, so people here are making the food, not me. But again, you know, choice matters,
Yes.
right? So after that, we will conclude it with a quick rapid fire, and then you're free to go to wherever you have your.
Chalo, ठीक है.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Looking forward.
Yes. All right. So let's first order. Yeah.
These guys are also so confused. They're like, क्या हो रहा है?
कितने देर में आ जाएगा? 5 मिनट. ठीक है. Thank you.
ठीक
Thank
है.
you so much.
बस, thank you.
All right. So, Shambhavi, I have lot of questions, and
Okay.
I hope you're not hungry right now.
No.
Do you get that feeling?
A lot of times.
Yeah?
A lot of times. And like, I only have two emotions. Either I'm hungry or I'm happy. There's no in between. And like, you can tell it from my face that I'm hungry. I can start crying also in the middle of something if I'm hungry. I'm like, अगर खाना है तो खाना है.
Okay.
I'm very low on appetite, but जब खाना है तो खाना है.
Yeah, I know it. Like you have a set timing, because I know that, of course, your whole day is packed, must be packed, right?
Yeah.
So how do you divide your day? How do you manage to eat your food on time? And how important is it for you to eat your food on time?
So I think the body has its own clock. It automatically starts adjusting to how you're doing things in a routine way, right?
Right.
So consciously I didn't decide on a time क्योंकि this is the particular time that I'm supposed to eat. क्योंकि हम लोग का job profile ऐसा है कि कुछ भी permanent नहीं है. Like every day we have a new routine, we have to be somewhere, or we are meeting few people. तो कोई set routine नहीं होता. But I always try to eat before leaving home. Like I don't leave home on an empty stomach.
Okay.
So it's basically any normal घर का खाना that I start my day with. And फिर उसके बाद जैसे जैसे time allow करता है, I like progress.
So is it your usual bread and something?
No,
or is
I'm
it
not a
roti
bread
and
person.
you're
I'm
not
a very
bread
roti
person?
sabzi person. Or like, there's one thing that I have every day, that is one glass of juice. कोई भी juice, जो भी seasonal fruits हो आपके, उसको just, because I cannot like sit patiently and eat. So I'm like, just put it together and grind it and give it to me. So I will have that. एक वो
Okay.
juice होता है, and
What's your favorite fruit though?
so I don't have any favorite fruit, but I'm having this ABC juice that like काफी
Okay.
times, I think over the years, काफी साल से I'm having it.
All right.
So that is there. No favorite fruit as such, but seasonal mango आता है तो mango खा रहे. Lychee,
Lychee.
mango, lychee, papaya,
yes,
guava.
Yes.
Depends on my mood.
Okay. Okay.
And I try to have my last meal by 7. So
Okay.
wherever I am, it's not like कि कुछ
That's pretty
healthy
early,
खाना है.
because
I think it just gives you a lot of time to digest food. Ayurveda में कहते हैं ना that your body clock, like your digestive system should be equivalent to the sun. So you should have the heavy meals in the morning, light meals by sunset, and after sunset you should not eat anything. It gives your body ample amount of time to digest the food. And I also feel
Right.
कि हाँ, makes more sense if I'm sleeping after my digestive system has properly worked.
You feel light when you
light
wake
when
up.
I'm yeah, exactly. So basically
That's the
that.
concept.
But I don't have anything like कि भाई अब dinner healthy ही होना है. Wherever I am, I can have finish my day with a pizza also.
Yeah.
I can finish my day with roti sabzi also. I can finish my day with dal chawal.
Acha,
also.
so no embargo on carbs. Carbs you can
Carbs, I eat everything.
have. Acha.
I just don't want to eat late, and I just try to portion control it.
Wow, that's
So
great.
that's it. मतलब मेरे
That's
को
great.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि अब यार बिकॉज ये प्रोफेशन ऐसा है ना, अब आप किसी के घर जा रहे हो, you can't say कि oh I can't have
ये नहीं खा
carbs, oh I'm not eating this, oh I can't have sugar. Like they made food for you with a lot of love. You have to eat it. Imagine being invited to some place and be like oh I can't eat carbs, oh बस सब्जी खिला दो मेरे को. I'm not that.
That's really sweet.
So
You know, this whole this ritual that you follow, you know, eating before 7 o'clock and having a
हाँ.
heavy breakfast, was it something that you grew up with? Like
No.
घर पे भी काफी ऐसा होता है ना कि घर पे माँ ने बोला कि नहीं टाइम पे खाना है,
हाँ.
तो उसी आदत को हम आगे लेके जाते हैं.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है ये मतलब बहुत ही naturally I developed it on my own. It was not
Okay.
something that is followed in my family. My family has a very different routine from me. They eat late. Like normal घर मतलब traditional घर में क्या होता है 9 बजे dinner होता है, मतलब 7 बजे dinner तो you can't convince your parents
क्या वो
होंगे.
लोग टीवी पे देखते हैं खाना
खाना
खाते
नहीं, अब क्योंकि टीवी ही मम्मी डाइनिंग टेबल से हटा चुकी है. शी इज लाइक नाउ टेबल पे खाना है एंड टीवी इज समवेयर एल्स.
हैं? Yeah.
सो घर पे ऐसा कोई
That's a
routine
good
नहीं है.
strategy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And during school days तो वही होता था ना, या you have to eat something light before leaving home. Then वापस आके lunch करना है. फिर शाम में आपको कुछ ट्यूशन के पहले खाना है. And then dinner is like 9. So
Right.
it was मतलब I also grew up in that kind of house
Right,
only.
right.
So everything eating before 7 and ये सारा was conscious decision that I made after college.
After college.
Like after your
Speaking of college, you studied in Delhi.
yes.
LSR.
Yes.
Right? So how is it living here? Coming from Bihar to Delhi, was there a cultural shock that you went through in terms of food also? Delhi में सब non-vegetarian खाना खाने आते हैं. तो क्या vegetarian खाने में आपको थोड़ा दिक्कत हुआ? यहाँ पे है तो फिर vegetarian खाना कैसे मिलेगा?
Cultural shock तो I will not call it because there are a lot of Bihari people here also and मतलब cultures हमारा काफ़ी similar है, like food taste preferences काफ़ी similar है, but the only thing I think was different कि I was on my own. I think वो एक बहुत बड़ा ये था कि now I मतलब
And how old were you when you came to Delhi?
I came to Delhi in 2016. So
Okay.
you can calculate. I think 18 के आसपास
About,
होंगे या
yeah.
18. So I think independence was rather more on my face than the cultural shift. And obviously यहाँ पे बहुत मतलब environment was a little different. Like पटना में तब भी cafe culture नहीं था. हम लोग का socializing was very different from what was happening to children in Delhi. And because I was in college and the first year I was in hostel, so there were a lot of girls like me only who were like trying to find a place here in this big city. तो काफी similar मतलब I was not living in a place that was very
Okay.
different from my background. I was living with different girls only who were from different states and we were all on our own trying to find our place. So it was quite easy. But हाँ धीरे धीरे I tried to find my own home, try to make a home in Delhi, and it's very similar to my home back in Bihar.
That's really great. So you made a new set of friends.
Yeah,
who-
new set of friends, new traditions. अपने जो आपके
खाना
जो
जो आप खा रहे थे घर पे, obviously यहाँ पे
ये
तो
बहुत
different
miss
होगा.
किया.
क्या आप
बहुत
miss
I
किया?
put on so much weight. I was a very thin person in Bihar. जब पटना से वापस दिल्ली आए सडनली मेरे को ये हॉस्टल का खाना नहीं अच्छा लगता था, मेरे को समझ नहीं आता था.
Oh, our food is
Yes.
here.
Yay.
Oh my goodness.
So I knew कि I had a feeling that you would order litti chokha. So I thought no कुछ और order करना
Our
चाहिए
food
ना.
is here, although we are still talking, but let's just show our
okay.
viewers what we have ordered. So
Okay.
I have with me litti chokha.
The OG Bihari food.
So this is litti chokha.
This
and
is bagia.
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 Bagia. Yes.
Oh.
This is dal.
Yeah.
And ये ऊपर is rice flour.
Rice flour.
हाँ. So it's like Bihari momos.
Oh wow.
हाँ.
Lovely.
बिहारी momos
I have
ऐसा ही
never
होता है.
had that.
Yeah. You
इसको
have to
पेठा
try.
या कुछ बोलते हैं क्या? नहीं.
नहीं वो चीज अलग है
वो अलग है.
जो आप कह रहे हो ना
हाँ, हाँ.
उसको भी कहते हैं वो भरा हुआ पिट्ठा होता
हाँ,
है
हाँ, पिट्ठा,
But
हाँ, पिट्ठा.
बट वो दाल पिट्ठा हम लोग किसी और को बोलते हैं एंड हम लोग इसको बगिया बोलते हैं
अच्छा. Okay. Okay.
बट हाँ इट्स अ वेरिएशन ऑफ दाल पिट्ठा
Okay.
एक और ऑर्डर है ना
एक और ऑर्डर है.
आई
Oh.
ऑर्डर्ड 2-3 डिफरेंट थिंग्स
Oh my goodness.
Because I
I'm
knew
in
you-
for a meal then.
थोड़ा
Okay,
I've
okay.
ordered a lot of things
Yes, we have a lot. Oh
This
my
is dal
goodness.
pitti.
Yes. Dal pitti.
दिस इज सत्तू पराठा
Yummy. You
So
have
we can-
ordered my favorite sattu paratha.
बिकॉज मेरे को लगा था कि यार लिट्टी चोखा के अलावा भी तो कुछ दिखाना
कुछ
जरूरी
होता
है
होता है. लिट्टी चोखा तो बस फेस वैल्यू के लिए मैंने ऑर्डर किया था.
भुजिया भुजिया मतलब काफी कुछ रह गया but
आलू
ठीक है,
भुजिया
अभी
के
के
लिए
लिए
यहाँ पे
हाँ.
है ना. Okay. So you were telling me before we jump into
हाँ.
eating, but you can start eating. I'll also start my food. So what do you want to do? Do you want to keep a little
We
bit
can eat
aside? for
ऐसे
me?
ना.
ऐसे खा
हाँ,
सकते हैं ना?
ऐसे खा सकते
Wow,
हैं.
super cool, super cool.
Let's go.
So Shambhavi, while we are eating, tell me about how did you get into politics?
Oh, so in
What really inspired you to come into politics? Of course, your father has been in politics. What is it that drove you?
So, I'm a third generation politician from my family. I grew up watching my grandfather, my father serve the people of their constituency. I wanted to do something different. I'll take it out.
Okay.
I wanted to also like be in a position where I could advocate for the marginalized, be the voice of the voiceless, try to do something impactful in my life, in this life. And एक होता है ना कि बचपन में लगता था कि हाँ when I grow up even I want to do something that gives me that rewarding feeling कि हाँ I'm like अच्छा लग रहा है करके.
Right.
So I joined politics and I've joined politics with the reason that okay I want to create an impact in the society. I want to be different and I want to do something different for the people who are not so privileged. And politics gives you that power. It gives you a position of power from where you can influence things. So
That's nice.
Yeah.
How has it been? Last year, in the month of June, you swore in, right, as an MP. So,
Yes.
how has your journey been till now? How much work have you done on the ground? How much have you seen?
A lot of infrastructure work has been done. Is being done in my constituency. I'm working closely with the different party workers in my constituency.
Okay.
In the health sector, in education sector, in infrastructure sector, अलग-अलग जगहों पे अलग-अलग चीजें चल रही हैं. I'm taking a lot of policies to the ground, getting a lot of central government policies implemented properly on ground. So it's been a nice journey.
Okay. Okay.
मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा ये लगता है कि you get unconditional amount of love. Like you cannot anticipate how much love you get from people. When I thought कि politics करना है तब नहीं लगा था कि हाँ इतना प्यार भी जनता का
बट
मिलता
लोग
है.
कितना डरते हैं और अभी भी आजकल अगर आप किसी से भी पूछोगे डू यू वांट टू बी इन पॉलिटिक्स सब बोलते कि नहीं मैं कुछ भी करूंगा लेकिन पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करूंगा. तो ये जो एक तरह से दिस होल परसेप्शन अबाउट बीइंग इन पॉलिटिक्स एज अ यंग पर्सन हु इज देयर इन द सिस्टम राइट नाउ. Do you
I think
people should be
movies
scared?
movies and all have really distorted this whole image because they show politicians with guns and everything. गुंडागर्दी हो रही है, but politics has changed now. And especially for women who are watching this, if you want to be in politics now, politics is a safe space. Like in the parliament, we have a speaker, Om Birla ji.
Yes.
He is very kind. He gives time to first-time MPs, especially women MPs. He encourages them to talk. My party leader, Chirag Paswan ji, he is encouraging so many young women to come into politics. Like he's going to places and saying, ki, "I want you to join politics. I want you to join politics. Develop women leadership." So he's doing that. Then we have our seniors also in the parliament, on ground in Bihar. There are so many leaders who have way more experience than me. But
Absolutely. Absolutely.
whenever I am there, they might, be competitive amongst themselves. But if I am there, they will continue to guide me. Like they will not develop that competition with me. They will be like, "अरे यार ये तो अभी इसको तो आगे लेके जाना ही है. She's so young. She's a woman. We have to help her." So I think I'm having a lot of fun. I also realize my responsibility and I try to deliver. The only thing in politics is that it's not a 9 to 5 job.
Right.
So-
right.
Sometimes mentally, emotionally, physically, it becomes taxing
It becomes
to be
taxing, yeah.
at a lot of places at the same time. And politics, if you're not physically present, if you're not seen, then
Yeah.
then you're not there.
Absolutely.
So thoda sa mentally it gets to me sometimes, but
So when
I think-
two things. Firstly, you talked about Parliament. Parliament में अच्छा खाना मिलता है. मैंने सुना है कि वहाँ पे कैंटीन है, अच्छा खाना है वहाँ पे.
canteen hai.
वहाँ पे आप खाते हो?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes. If I
Sometimes.
forget, if I have to
Yeah.
reach the parliament early, or we have like a meeting or something, and I have not had breakfast, so I'll have breakfast. In
Is
the
there
parliament.
something that stands out?
South Indian food? वहाँ
South Indian food, yeah.
dosa, idli. I eat all of that.
Really?
Yeah, and now they have come with a health menu also.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
that
wow.
menu has soya kebab. वो काफी अच्छा है.
Oh wow, that's
Try
great.
bagia.
I am gonna try what you have ordered. So let me just actually हाथ से उठा लेती हूँ.
हाँ.
ये फोक वाला
ये
खाओ तो
फोक
मुझे
वाला
नहीं-
ये
हाँ.
खाना चम्मच से खाने वाला ही नहीं है.
हाँ, मैंने अपने नेल्स भी काट लिए इसी चक्कर में कि चलो खाना हम हाथ से खाएंगे.
Basically,
Wow.
dal.
Thank you so much for introducing this to me. Is this tur dal or
I think reher. Reher is tu. You call reher tu? I don't know. I'm not
even
sure.
I'm not sure. But if viewers are watching it, do let us know in
It
the
is
comments. section.
arhar ka dal.
Arhar.
Arhar
Arhar
dal.
is tur only, I guess. This
भैया
is really
we lost
good.
them. ये अरहर का दाल है ना? चना का
Chana
दाल.
dal. Oh, both are wrong.
अब ये सारे बोलेंगे कि
हमें नहीं पता.
हमें कुछ अभी you don't know it's right.
No,
We're right, I don't know.
But I cook at times. Do you cook?
Yeah,
You do.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
I like cooking,
Mm-hmm.
but now I don't have the time to cook. So
Of course.
अब मेरे को जब भी थोड़ा बहुत टाइम मिलता है, I try to cook something.
Cook something. That's great, yeah. Do you also find out recipes on Instagram, social
A
media?
lot of times.
A lot
Especially
of
वो
times, yeah.
short videos आने लगे ना recipes
Yeah,
के.
yeah, yeah. Have you tried making something?
I made a तड़का दही
Oh.
from a Instagram recipe. Now,
Okay.
and I
And
make different kinds of ramen from
Oh.
like Instagram inspired.
The Korean ramens, right? Wow. Which one is your favorite? Because
Yeah. Shin
vegetarian.
ramen,
Okay.
the vegetarian one.
Okay.
Then YY. तो ये सारे देख देख के उसमें से एंड अब तो एक और चीज शुरू हुआ है ना द राइस पेपर शीट्स
It's
so they
very
make so many
difficult.
things out of
It's
that
very
rice paper
difficult,
sheets so I've
no?
tried एक दो बार
You
it
have?
turned out good, yeah, pretty
But
good.
it's good if you can just buy those rice paper rolls and you can just
हाँ तो मतलब
do the
you,
filling,
I
ना?
don't
Or you
make the
or you
sheets.
don't.
I make recipes out of those sheets. मतलब rice paper sheets के जो recipes होते हैं
yeah.
like you cut them and make them rice
Yes,
noodles. or
exactly.
like
Okay.
make like a
That's
nice,
pretty healthy. That's
हाँ.
pretty healthy.
like a good healthy take on dim sums.
अभी बिहार इलेक्शन के टाइम पे कैंपेनिंग पे आप कैसे अपना दिन कैसे आप प्लान
सुबह
करते हो?
कुछ भी नहीं था, कोई रूटीन नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. आई कीप टेलिंग पीपल कि रोबोटिक मोड में हम लोग चले गए थे, बस सुबह उठते थे एंड देन खाने वाने का कोई कुछ नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू ईट विद माय पार्टी वर्कर्स. आई हैव नेवर कैरीड माय ओन लंच. अभी तक आई डोंट कैरी माय लंच. इफ आई हैव टू गो टू एन इवेंट या मेरा कोई कार्यकर्ताओं के साथ मीटिंग होता है या कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में कहीं जाना है, I prefer to eat whatever they are eating. I eat that. दाल चावल सब्जी बेसिक. मतलब obviously उन लोग थोड़ी कुछ खराब खाना खाते हैं, वो लोग भी तो दाल चावल सब्जी खाते हैं.
Of course.
So I eat that with them. Campaign के टाइम पे I used to have one meal at home. वो रात का होता था dinner. सुबह I just used to have my coffee and juice का glass and I used to eat. और पूरे दिन हम लोग ये मट्ठा छाछ ये सब पीते रहते थे.
Amazing. What else do you need? I
हाँ.
love छाछ. I love
So-
छाछ, and in fact, I've started having छाछ after coming to Delhi. मुझे छाछ का concept ही नहीं मालूम था.
Really?
नहीं मालूम था मुझे.
हाँ.
In fact,
छाछ is a
लस्सी
very
also.
Delhi thing वैसे. But
हाँ, it's
now
a
a
very
lot of
Delhi
people
thing.
have started drinking
हाँ.
it. So.
वो Tetra Pak में भी आता है
हाँ.
अभी. Do you order it? Do you have one of those
Yeah,
food
yeah,
delivery
yeah.
apps on your
Zomato.
phone? Oh my goodness! So you use these food delivery apps
All the time.
or?
I'm obsessed with 2 apps, Blinkit and Zomato.
Is it
I've
because
stopped
of?
going out, everything. I'll just say, let me find it on Blinkit. Maybe my sisters keep telling me, कि भाई you are obsessed.
You're obsessed.
हाँ.
You're
इतना-
obsessed. What was the last thing you bought on Blinkit?
I ordered yesterday only coffee, I think.
Coffee.
हाँ.
Oh, you're a coffee person.
I'm a coffee person.
Wow. Wait, let me hold this for you.
Oh, thank you.
That's okay. Or why don't you just?
Yeah, हाँ, जो better. बस it's going to drop. Then nothing will be left for you.
Yeah. No. It's
Oh,
okay.
yeah,
It's
just
okay. We
okay.
have this. So talking about being a Gen Z politician, how is it different? And how is it like working with the boomers? You know, in the parliament,
So
in the
initially,
party.
I was really scared.
You were
Because-
scared?
हाँ, I was scared because you know you've seen all these people on television and suddenly they're like right in front of you and you have to give your speech in front
जो
of
मुझे
them.
फीलिंग आ रही थी
हाँ.
मैंने तो इनको देखा टीवी पे बट रियल लाइफ में क्या होगा बट
बट मेरे साथ ऐसा ही हुआ कि जो उस समय पहले आदमी सोच के ज्यादा डर जाता है बट व्हेन आई मेट देम आई लाइक आई सेड ऑल द सीनियर लीडर्स आर वेरी सपोर्टिव लाइक अक्रॉस पार्टी लाइन्स आई थिंक जो हमारे से सीनियर है दे विल ऑलवेज स्टैंड अप फॉर यंग जेन जी एमपीज दे ऑलवेज स्टूड अप फॉर देम एंड
All
they
right.
encourage them to talk. There were quite a few people that I knew already from Bihar. So I found a safe space वहाँ पे पहले तो. But now I think I interact with people from like MPs from different states and I try to engage with them. I try to understand what they're thinking, what their perspective is. अब तो एक अच्छा
Are you
खासा
close with anyone like in the parliament you go
a
and
lot of
immediately
people, not ऐसा नहीं है मतलब there are a lot of people who are just because I am somebody who sits in the parliament through the day like it's not like कि attendance लगा के चल दिए I sit there
पर अभी तो parliament adjourn हो जा रही है
it's very sad that
really
you know
sad, ना?
they don't understand कि इसमें देश का पैसा लग रहा है they don't understand कि it's for legislative business मतलब सरकार को बिजनेस करनी है उनको आप करने दीजिए इससे आप देश का जो प्रोग्रेस है उसको आप स्थगित नहीं कर सकते ना पार्लियामेंट इज अ प्लेस वेयर यू हैव टू कम डिस्कस बिल सरकार कह रही है कि हम चर्चा करना चाहते हैं चर्चा होने तो दो but you're just not agreeing and it's very sad because as first time MP I feel कि यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है
Yeah.
You know?
And all the allegations that opposition makes that the speaker or the chair is always partial to the government.
Wrong.
What do you think? Is
wrong.
that true?
No, it's
No.
not true.
It's not true.
The mic connection is not with the speaker
Okay.
and the speaker gives them enough chances. 0 hour जब होता है you will see mostly opposition speaks. He
Yeah.
specifically takes extended 0 hour also like I think once in a week he takes that. He gives good 4-5 hours to the 0 hour कि आपको जो बोलना है आप बोलो.
Right.
एंड ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है इन ड्यूरिंग द बिल्स ऑल्सो आपका पार्टी वाइज टाइम अलॉटेड होता है
Correct.
जितने आपके मेंबर्स हैं उतना
उसके
आपको
हिसाब
टाइम
से
उसके
आपको,
हिसाब से आपको टाइम मिलता है तो वो टाइम कहाँ कट कर रहे हैं कोई अब वो आप ही डिपेंड करता है ना कि आप किसी के पास 5 ही मिनट है और आप जबरदस्ती उनसे 15 मिनट बुलवाना चाहते हो.
How is it looking at opposition leaders sloganeering, getting into the well, and
Getting into the well
also because they were protesting to discuss SIR
Yeah.
specifically, which is exactly what is happening in your state. What was your observation?
See, I think they're not ready to understand that this is a sub judice matter. ये मैटर अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चल रहा है. द पार्लियामेंट कैन नॉट डिस्कस इट. वी कैन नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द डिसीजन ऑफ द इलेक्शन कमीशन. इलेक्शन कमीशन इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी. आपको कोई परेशानी, आप इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास जाओ ना, आप उनसे बात करो. पार्लियामेंट स्थगित करना
Is not.
इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. आप डिस्कस करके भी क्या कर लोगे?
Right.
व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डिस्कस?
Right.
इट्स अ सब जुडिस मैटर. ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अभी चल रहा है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट भी इस पे आ रहा है. आप उसको बार बार यू आर सेंडिंग आउट द रॉन्ग मैसेज. एंड टेल मी इफ यू हैव सीन एनी पब्लिक आउटक्राई रिगार्डिंग SIR. We are all members, we are all representatives of the people. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of other MPs like me. And बिहार के इतने सारे MPs हैं, इतने सारे ministers हैं, इतने सारे विधायक हैं बिहार विधानसभा
But you
के.
support SIR?
Of course.
You do.
Of course,
Okay. And the
any
documents
person-
that they have said, the 11 documents that they
They've
require.
given everybody enough time. They're using technology to do it. If you are living abroad, if you're outside of Bihar, you can always just, do it online. टाइम भी एक्सटेंड कर दिया गया है. अगर कहीं पे गलती हो रही है, ऐसा नहीं है अगर गलती नहीं हो रही है, अगर कहीं पे गलती हो रही है आपको पर्याप्त समय भी मिल रहा है टू फिक्स इट.
Right.
But
Exactly.
I think it's enhancing the democracy more ना यार. The citizens of a country should be allowed to vote.
Okay.
So
And you don't agree with the opposition allegations of targeting of minorities?
it's not
Specifically-
true.
That's not true.
Have you seen any public outcry? Tell me. We as Lok Janshakti Party has booth level agents who are working on the booth. We know what is happening there. अगर हमारे किसी बंदे का नाम अगर कट रहा है तो we are going to the administration and telling them कि ये गलत हो रहा है.
और जो तेजस्वी यादव ने अपना वोटर आईडी कार्ड दिखाया, what is your reaction to that?
पहले तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरा है ही नहीं, फिर पता चला उनका दो है. I think he is also quite lost in this whole thing कि ये क्या हो रहा है. Because he just wants to be like, मेरे को बस हल्ला करना है.
If you have to offer him some food, just to have like a conversation with him, what is that one food you will take for Tejasvi?
I know he likes non-veg food a lot, but I am a vegetarian, so I think I'll take. I've seen him eating paratha bhujia a lot in videos and reels. So paratha bhujia.
Paratha bhuja.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. But Shambhavi, I have not taken a bite of my litti, and I really want to taste Potbelly ka kaisa hai.
Good.
Dry.
You have to add chutney na.
I did. So usually, I put ghee. It makes it a little bit moist.
So you put ghee after breaking it. You want ghee?
I'm not that fussy.
You're not a
I've
foodie.
also learned to adjust. Being a woman, you learn to adjust.
Yeah.
Everywhere. But of course, you take extra efforts, you make extra efforts to make sure that you're getting what you want
That's true.
and you are happy with that.
Yeah.
This food makes you happy? Do you feel home
Very
in
happy.
Delhi or in Patna?
Home is always Bihar.
Always Bihar.
Samastipur, Patna. Now that I started spending a lot of time in Samastipur also.
Samastipur.
I don't stay
Okay.
in Delhi.
You don't stay in Delhi at all.
I just come here for sessions.
Okay.
Session khatam, I go back to Patna.
Is there a place in Samastipur where you eat?
A lot of places. हम लोग चलते चलते we just stop ढाबे
Yeah,
पे,
ढाबे पे.
दुकान पे, रेस्टोरेंट्स
अच्छा एक मिठाई है वहाँ पे गोंद की
रसकदम.
रसकदम oh my goodness my father used to get it for me
I'll get it for you.
oh my god वो अंदर रसगुल्ला होता है और बाहर से वो grains
तिल जैसा
हाँ,
होता है।
तिल जैसा होता है and you break it
Yeah.
open. Oh my god. I don't
yummy.
think वो मिठाई यहाँ पे मिलती है, दिल्ली में भी
I'll
नहीं
get it for
मिलती।
you.
Thank
I'll
you
get
so
it for you.
much. I am crying. I'm getting Ras Kadam from Shambhavi next time.
No, definitely I'll get it for your whole team.
Oh, that's sweet. That's
और
sweet.
मेरे को पहले if you would have given me like some time to you know
Yeah,
like
yeah.
prepare
I know,
and stuff, I
know.
would have asked for raskas.
कोई बात
like
नहीं।
next week तक तो आ ही जाता।
कोई बात नहीं, season 2 जब हम करेंगे, first guest you will be
तब
there.
हम लोग बंगाली फूड खाएंगे।
Great. अच्छा, I'm gonna have this sattu paratha now.
Hmm.
Sattu paratha से
Tell me what you
मेरी-
like the most.
I'll tell you, without being biased.
No, first you have litti.
Wait.
You have had bagia, sattu paratha, then you have this dal pitta.
Yum.
This is
Oh
not
my
as dry
God.
as litti, na?
Okay, this is nostalgia for me, sattu paratha.
Okay, why so?
Because my mother used to make it.
Ah.
So my father was posted in Patna. I grew up in Bihar.
Wow.
Yes. I understand Maithili really well. And that's why I think, I mean, when I saw that you will be my first guest, I was really excited. Because I was like, हाँ, मेरे घर का खाना मुझे मिल रहा है. But it's after a very long time that I'm having it. सत्तू पराठा हम ट्रेन की जर्नी में
पैक करके लेके जा देते हैं। Even the सत्तू का वो पूड़ी,
सत्तू का
सत्तू
पूरी.
पूड़ी.
Yes.
सत्तू पूड़ी is like the OG thing for
आलू
all.
भुजिया, सत्तू पूरी,
हाँ.
all of this, yeah.
और
ये
सत्तू
सब.
पूड़ी तो हर वो जगह बनती है ना जहाँ पे like भोज होता है। It's a very
Yes.
भोज food.
Yes.
तो सत्तू का पूड़ी वहाँ बनता है।
Yes. Hey, do you celebrate Chhat by any chance? You do?
Every year.
Every
I've
year?
not missed a single chhat.
So who in your family?
Mama.
Mama.
My dadi used to do it. Now my mom does it.
Oh. Do you feel good about
Yeah.
Chhat?
Yeah.
It's
I
actually
think it's
my...
the most. It's the best 3 days of the year.
Yes, it is. It is.
And
Do you like the...
Thekwa and kheer.
Kheer, yeah.
It's the best. I like.
खन्ना
I
में जो वो
remember
लोग
कि
बनाते
मेरे
हैं.
जब I was in college, I used to like get tins packed ठेकुआ का.
Yeah.
और अभी भी like
Same.
ठेकुआ बनने के पहले मेरा टिन वहाँ रखा जाता है कि यार
Yeah.
मम्मी इतना टिन तो मेरे लिए बनाना बस.
Yes.
एंड यू नो वो उसके बाद बिकॉज राइट आफ्टर छठ ना थोड़ी मीठी मीठी सी ठंड हो जाती है,
हाँ.
थोड़ा हल्का हल्का सा ठंडा लगने लगता है.
Yes.
तो वो शाम का चाय और ठेकुआ इज स्टेपल. मतलब शाम में गरम चाय हो ठेकुआ हो. एंड यू नो जब मेरी शादी हुई थी तो मेरे इन लॉज के साइड पे भी एक चीज वो लोग करते हैं. वो लोग गरम दूध में ठेकुआ को डाल के खाते हैं लाइक कॉर्नफ्लेक्स दूध.
वो वैसे भी खा सकते
हाँ
हैं.
तो वो भी बहुत टेस्टी था. मतलब हम शादी के बाद डिस्कवर किए बट काफी अच्छा था वो.
That's yummy. But ठेकुआ OG snack for me. I mean, better
एंड
than
इवन द खीर जो खरना के दिन बनता है और पूरे छठ का खाना यार. इवन
कद्दू भात.
हाँ कद्दू
Yes,
भात और
yeah.
वो जो पालक का साग और ये
Yes.
बचका बनता है.
Yes.
अगस्त के फूल का बचका.
Hmm.
क्रेजी. आई डोंट
Crazy.
थिंक कि पूरे साल में वो खाना कभी भी वापस बन सकता है.
नहीं बनता.
वो सिर्फ उसी दिन बनता
ठेकुआ
है वैसे.
अगर आप अलग से भी बनाना चाहो
वो
छठ के
taste नहीं
अलावा, वो
आता है.
टेस्ट नहीं
वो
आता.
taste नहीं आता.
इट्स लाइक बंगालीज का जो दुर्गा पूजा में खिचड़ी होता है. You won't
I eat
get
that
the
खिचड़ी.
same. Yeah.
I have we go to a मंदिर in Patna.
Yeah.
तो उनका ना नवमी का भोग खिचड़ी होता है. तो आई ईट दैट खिचड़ी एवरी
Can I tell you something better?
हाँ.
हनुमान मंदिर का लड्डू.
नैवेद्यम यू नो हनुमान मंदिर.
उसका साइज छोटा हो गया है अभी. The last
अच्छा.
time I visited Patna, it used to be this big. Now it has become really
Naivedyam.
it has become really small. But I used to really love it because I guess इतना अच्छा वो
वैसे पटना एंटर करते ही महावीर मंदिर होता है.
हाँ exactly स्टेशन के बाहर ही है वो.
स्टेशन के बाहर राइट.
Amazing. So, firstly, tell me how did you like my food जो मैंने order किया था?
आई लाइक इट. अच्छा था.
हाँ अच्छा था. अच्छा
बट
लगा.
वी स्टिल नॉट हैड वन थिंग.
Oh this. Wait.
Now you have to try it.
चलो पहले
Now
पहले
this
आप
is the most underrated Bihari
पहले
food.
आप लो.
So this is basically wheat sheets. मतलब it's made out of a wheat dough. Then it's cooked with the dal.
Oh,
And then there is a tadka on top.
Wow. How come I've never had this?
This is dal pitta.
I'm going to take another spoon. But spoon खत्म हो गया क्या?
हाँ उसी से खा लो यार.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
Doesn't matter.
No, पूरा ले लो. Please,
So I have it when I'm like not feeling well.
This is like So,
It's a whole meal.
yeah. Soul food. It's very good. Thank you so much, Ajit ji.
दाल
Thank
पिट्टा
you.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Ajit ji is the person who is managing this place.
हाँ.
Arey wow, what a surprise! What a surprise!
एक बार
Thank you
खाएंगे.
so much. Thank you. But एक dessert हम order कर लेते हैं because dessert पे we will do a rapid fire.
डिजर्ट में आप मालपुआ ट्राई कीजिए।
मालपुआ
मालपुआ चलेगा.
मालपुआ ले आइए. एक मालपुआ ले आइए. हाँ. I think we are done.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So this was the food, but
I'm going to finish the दाल पिट्टा.
हाँ, finish it.
I love it.
It's all yours.
ये ना मतलब this is something that I eat when I'm not feeling well, or like I'm having a bad day, or like I just need something जो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हो पर एकदम घर घर जैसा हो, you know, तो दाल पिट्ठा बना दो.
And it's so easy to make, right? But it's
It's a whole
really
meal
yummy.
in a bowl.
Yeah, it is. Can I tell you something? I really loved the dal pitha, of course. This was
Bagia.
Bagia.
Yeah.
Bagia is something that I would crave for. I mean, I can replace Maggie with this one. It's also a very
It's a
healthy
nice snack.
alternate.
Yeah.
Litti chokha,
OG.
OJ, I can't rate this, but that was
So
10
you
out
like
of 10. 10 out of 10. Sattu paratha, यार इसको मैं कैसे rate हूँ? But you tell me, you rate the food now.
लिट्टी चोखा I think 9 on 10. बगिया 9 on 10. सत्तू पराठा and dal pitta 10 on 10.
10 on
I think the litti could be a little more moist.
Moist, yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
और ये बगिया जो है ना ये एक्चुअली बगिया की गलती नहीं है, ये थोड़ा
हाँ.
ठंडा हो गया जब हम लोग खाए.
Oh, is it? वो hot
वो hot
एकदम
रहता ना
जैसे
तो वो
मोमो
मुंह में
खाते हैं.
मेल्ट करता पूरा.
But मुझे फिर भी अच्छा लगा.
हाँ,
It was so good. It was so good.
बगिया is a party snack also.
हाँ.
Like हाँ, you just put it and you just have like
Yeah,
protein
it's
rich
like-
snacks
yes,
and then like
yes.
keep chit
It's a really
chatting.
good idea, man. I'm gonna implement that. I'm gonna have that also.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for introducing me to Bagia and Dal Pitta.
I thought कि यार ये बिहारी को हमेशा बिहारी फूड को लिट्टी चोखा में सीमित कर देते हैं कि लिट्टी चोखा है.
I know.
But या फिर now they've started like now they've realized the power of makhana. So a lot of people are also eating makhana. They know about
Yes.
makhana and they know about litti chokha. But this is like food that एक normal
This is-
बिहारी घर में ये खाना
ये
बनता है.
खाना
दाल
बनता है.
पिट्ठा, सत्तू का पराठा. We don't have भुजिया here,
Yeah.
but वो पतला
दाल
पतला
भात
भुजिया होता है.
भुजिया.
दाल भात भुजिया is
वेजिटेरियंस
staple.
के लिए लेकिन लिमिटेड है ऑप्शंस.
नहीं
नहीं.
वेजिटेरियंस तो बिहार में बहुत कुछ खाते हैं. We eat लाल चना. We eat
मखाने की भी तो सब्जी बनती है.
हाँ,
है ना?
मखाने का सब्जी बनता है, मखाने का खीर बनता है. अच्छा.
एग्जैक्टली. या
My mom makes a thing. वो मखाना को grind कर देती है, so then it becomes powdery form में, and she grinds other dry fruits also, mixes it with a little bit of milk. So it's like a very Bihari taste
Yeah.
वाला खीर, very thick, but like very different.
लाइक पुडिंग.
हाँ, like a pudding. Yeah.
I mean, just for the viewers to know, but इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये खीर को खीर ही है.
मखाने का खीर.
मखाने का खीर. Yeah.
And और क्या खाते हैं vegetarian?
But this vegetarianism is a part of your family, or you chose to be a vegetarian? You chose to be a vegetarian.
Because I love animals.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
तो घर पे लोग नॉनवेज खाते हैं.
हाँ.
बस आप नहीं खाते हो.
मतलब
But
मेरी
why did you
बहनें
take
खाती
this?
हैं.
Why did you take this decision?
I love animals. So I was like, no, I want to be a vegetarian. I'm also trying to turn vegan.
Oh my goodness, I was going to
But-
ask you.
but-
Is this a trend that you're following, or you really want to?
No, I really want because I see all these. Up to यार social media के time पे you see so many images and so many reels, and you know then you just like it has an impact on you. It like leaves an imprint in your mind. So I'm trying, but the only
Okay.
thing that I'm not, you know, जो छूट नहीं रहा है वो है घी. So like बिना मक्खन के रह जाएंगे, बिना चीज के रह जाएंगे.
Yeah.
बिना दूध के भी रह जाएंगे बट बिना घी के कैसे
घी के
रहेंगे.
नहीं रह सकते. No.
that
So
is
that is the low-hanging fruit. Your conundrum.
But
difficult तो होगा.
Today we've had all vegetarian food.
Yeah.
But बिहार का mutton is also very
Oh
popular.
my God. Yes. Yes.
Chamba, हाँ.
I wish, but I was going
Litti
to order
and
litti and
mutton.
mutton. Yes.
But you could have ordered it, na?
No, it's okay. I wanted you to also taste my food. That's the whole concept. But ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Next time
Good.
when we come here for season 2, then I will just have litti,
I will get
mutton.
some of my
you will-
non-veg friends who will have
But
non-veg
I'm so, I mean, it's very rare to see, but I do have friends who are vegetarian and they are pretty comfortable when I have ordered non-vegetarian food. They do not have any issue. We see there's a lot of politics around food also, Shambhavi. Do you think it's healthy for the country to just impose your choices on the other person? Because personally, clearly, you don't have any problems with that. Where do you stand when it comes to
I think
how politics
to
is played
each
around?
his or her own. Like,
Yeah.
you can't impact food choices or personal choices. It should not be like that. And I don't think anybody is trying to do it. They're just like a set of people who believe कि ये करना है. But largely, I don't think we're the kind of people who would like to spread hate on food, because food is something that unites everybody. Food is not to spread hatred of any sort.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And language too. How many languages do you speak?
Hindi, English.
Hindi, English, so you are very
Mainly
fluent.
now I've started understanding. अगर
Yeah.
बोलने में थोड़ा अभी भी आई एम नॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट.
हाँ.
समझ में तो मेरे को पूरा आता है,
Yeah.
बट कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता बोलने में. भोजपुरी ऑल्सो समझ में सब कुछ आता है, पर बोलने का कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि बचपन से हम
So
लोग बोले
when
नहीं
you
ना.
are on the ground, how do you?
हिंदी में.
हिंदी में?
या मैथिली मेरे को समझ में आता है, ऐसा नहीं है. लाइक अगर कोई मेरे को मैथिली में बोल रहा है, आई विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग,
Yeah.
बट वो कॉन्वर्सेशनल मैथिली अभी
वो
नहीं
नहीं
हुआ है
है.
मेरा.
All right. Chalo, on that note, let's order the dessert,
Dessert.
and we'll
Do
jump
a rapid
into
fire.
the rapid fire.
Yes.
Uh,
इसको clear
मालपुआ
कर दीजिए भैया.
इसको साइड में कर लेते हैं. Wow, this was
भाई.
really yummy. This was नहीं, इसको आप साइड में कर दीजिए. हाँ, साइड में कर दीजिए.
I to have eaten fully on your show. I was continuously eating.
Okay, I need to also ask you, do you like talking while eating? Because when this whole concept came, I was like, बहुत सारे लोग
I
बात
don't
करना
mind.
पसंद नहीं करते.
I don't mind. It's not a. I'm a very fast eater.
Yeah.
Normally,
हाँ.
I eat very quickly. Like I can finish dinner in 10 minutes. तो
Wow.
वैसा है. But
Wow.
I don't mind doing it once in a while. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
That's great. That's great because you talked a lot.
I can talk.
While having so much of food, you talked a
I
lot.
kept eating. Bhai sahab, please. You
But
have
I
to-
love that you're unhinged when it comes to food because so many
I know,
girls are
and you know,
now
I'm
so
like-
so particular about what they're eating because of course
Body
every
type
woman
and
is
all.
going
Yeah.
through that body shaming everywhere. It's happening. Someone or the other is talking about
You
how
have
you
to develop
look.
a comfortable relationship with food.
Yeah. What's
Suddenly
your
the-
mantra? What's your mantra? Like, I mean, of course, you're trying to become a vegan, but
नहीं,
what's your
vegan
general?
लग नहीं रहा कि हम बन
नहीं
पाएंगे.
हो.
I
genuinely
want to.
wants-
I genuinely want to, but हो नहीं पा रहा है वो. मतलब
होने वाला.
कैसे घी भी कैसे छूटेगा. हम लोग के तो
नहीं.
कल्चर में घी, मतलब दाल का तड़का इज घी ओनली. So
और लिट्टी में घी.
हाँ, लिट्टी में घी. But see, I'm very simple when it comes to food, eating, body positivity, and everything. I'm like, I run for 1 hour every day in the morning, and I eat whatever I want to.
Wow.
Bus, and then I don't eat anything after 7. I try not to.
Not right. That's great. I saw your social media page, by the way. And I saw that you tied a Rakhi to Chirag
Chirag
Paswan.
Bhaiya.
Yeah. Chirag Bhaiya. What kind of relationship do you share with him? Like, he's like a big brother to you, is he?
Yeah. He is. There's no doubt about that. And oh,
That's the Malpua with ice cream.
ice cream.
Oh,
yes.
kulfi.
Kulfi.
It's kulfi. Wow. So
Let's
we
go.
have Malpua with kulfi.
Kulfi.
So 1-1.
1 month तो नहीं हो.
1 नहीं हो पाएगा. कल दौड़ लेना शाम को भी. Run
2
tomorrow
घंटे.
morning. Run
एक
tomorrow
इसके
morning.
लिए इसको खाने के लिए
खा
2
लो.
घंटे दौड़ना पड़ेगा. But
Don't
ये-
curse me though.
this Malpua reminds me of Holi so much.
Yes.
मतलब पूरा Holi is about
Is it a tradition in your
हाँ.
house?
जीरा.
No,
Sorry,
no.
soft.
Soft. Yes, lot of soft in it, and I
Yeah.
love that
Yeah.
when I chew on
There is
it.
kesar also.
Yeah, there's kesar.
I'm
And-
pretty sure कि ये लोग बनाना नहीं ऐड करेंगे, वो तो खा के पता चलेगा.
ना
But
बनाना लेकिन
हाँ,
ऐड
लोग-
करते
हाँ,
हैं.
लोग बनाना
हाँ,
ऐड करते
add
हैं. बहुत लोग सिर्फ मैदे में भी बना देते हैं.
चलो, I'm going to
break full. Oh
अरे-
my god, thank you.
Okay, we'll do half.
हाँ
है ना? Let's do that.
यार ये नहीं चम्मच से खाया जाएगा, ये चम्मच वाला नहीं।
चम्मच नहीं यार, हाथ से
हाथ से,
हाथ
माल
से
को-
एकदम देसी.
मालपुआ तो ऐसे उठा के खाने वाला चीज है।
Okay. My point was to bring the dessert and do the rapid fire. Wait,
We can still do it.
I forgot about it. But let me just start.
That's why you should not put like
Khana and
food
बाकी
in front of foodies.
हाँ, oh, you are a foodie.
I like to. I said I
Oh
I'm
God,
not like
label कर दिया.
dieting
I have not
person.
label, but इन्होंने किया है. चलो.
I eat everything.
Ready for
Yes.
the rapid fire?
Yes.
Okay. Obviously, my first question is more addictive. Sattu paratha or
Bagya.
bagia? More
I think-
addictive, sattu paratha or bagia?
I think bagya because एक time था when I was obsessed with bagya. And it's very easy to carry also.
Okay.
So
Delhi or Patna?
पटना, ये क्या question है? Any day पटना.
One guilty pleasure snack.
Guilty pleasure snack. Bihari food में I would say puri bhujia.
Puri bhujia?
Puri
Wow.
bhujia like
Okay.
puri is something जो I try to not
और
eat
अगर पूरी
ज़्यादा.
भुजिया नहीं मिला तो फिर क्या खाओगे? कोई स्नैक जो बैग में रखते हो, कभी भी मंच कर लेते हो?
मखाना.
हाँ, मखाना.
बट वो गिल्टी नहीं है ना, वो तो हेल्दी
वो
है.
तो
तो
healthy
उसमें-
है.
हाँ, गिल्टी
Guilty
नहीं है
बता
वो.
दो, guilty बता दो.
बिहारी स्नैक पकौड़ा,
पकौड़े.
प्याज का पकौड़ा, बचका जिसको कहते हैं
बचका,
वो
yes, yes.
खाना. हाँ,
ठेकुआ.
ठेकुआ.
Wow,
अबे-
both of us Tekwa
Yes.
fans.
ठेकुआ is in the house.
Do you want garam milk with it
No,
or
no, no.
chai? No.
I've had too much food.
Too
now
much
I can't
food.
have.
Oh, thank you so much. All right. Which one keeps you going? Chai, coffee or matcha? ये matcha का भी trend चल रहा है ना, इसलिए मैंने add किया.
Black coffee.
Black coffee. Oh, that's good.
Black coffee. I'm a black coffee person too.
You're a black coffee person. I love black coffee. अभी मैंने शुरू किया है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I saw a meme on Instagram that only psychotic people like black coffee.
Oh, shit. My husband shouldn't be watching this.
People with extreme energies can only like black coffee. I read it. I'm not propagating this thought at all.
Yeah.
But it was funny.
Yeah. It's her. It's her saying that.
I'm not propagating it. I said I saw it and I could relate to it instantly.
If you were not a politician, what would you be?
So I'll tell you a fun story. I wanted to be a journalist. Yeah, when I was in
Oh.
school, I interned with Times of India. I interned with Dainik Jagran. I was very much into writing and like all of that stuff. So या तो journalism में होते हैं या तो education sector में होते हैं. Maybe a professor or like running institutes, educational institutes, something of that sort only.
I think you're best as a politician. I'm sorry to bring that question up. But one woman politician who you admire, past or present?
So I really used to. I still watch speeches of Sushma Swaraj ji. I used to watch a lot of parliamentary speeches of Smriti Irani. Present house mein, I think I've made a lot of women parliamentarians, my friends. I think we have a very nice women group only where we are interacting and like,
Okay.
it's fun. It's like having a school group you have lunch with and everything, and they're just full of females. There is Basuri Di, Malvika Di, Sangeeta Didi. All these people, I think, have a good relationship.
That's great. Biggest barrier for women entering politics today?
Stereotype?
A barrier. Someone without a political background. If they want to come into politics, what would be a barrier? Or even
I
if
think it's just the thought, like I said, the stereotype.
stereotype around it.
You know कि अभी तो बहुत ही young है, अभी थोड़ा और मेहनत करो, अभी समझने को बहुत कुछ है, समझ लो एक बार. Especially for women parliamentarians, so I like women who want to come into leadership role, it will definitely be, I think the nature of the job, it's not a 9 to 5 job, it's not considered very safe. Public profiling है आपकी, तो all of that.
Do you think politics can be toxic?
I think just any profession that gives that kind of access to public will at some point become a little toxic. So you have to develop a thick skin
All the trolling that happens on social media.
all the time. All the
Did you
time.
have it from before, or you had to learn?
Initially, so because I saw it with my dad, so I was trained not to let all of the trolling get to me. But जब आपके बारे में लोग लिखने लगते तो कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको थोड़ा you just get like अरे यार it's not needed. But now I'm like fully away from all of it. Now I don't let it affect me at all.
All right. One MP you think has the best social media game?
One MP.
Or any
Let
politician?
me I think Tejasvi Surya. He's quite active on Instagram.
Okay. Okay.
And I think yeah.
All right. Who from the opposition do you get along with?
Oh, a lot of politicians around my age. Ikra, Priya, Pushpendra. Then they're all my age. Then there are other people also who are we're very kind to each other generally. It's not like we're fighting each other off.
You hang out, you eat, you discuss.
Yeah,
you
in the
talk.
parliament, like if we meet each other, it's
Of
very
course,
cordial,
yeah.
it's nice. We try to like talk about other things also.
Do you think Parliament is as fun as it used to be before?
I think the quality of debates has really gone down. अब वैसे लोग चर्चा नहीं करते जैसे पहले
But
करते
debate
थे.
हो भी कहाँ रहा है अभी
हाँ?
Parliament में? Debate हो भी कहाँ रहा है
भाई
अभी Parliament में?
अब होता ही नहीं और जब होता है तो वो भी काफी मेरे को लगता है कि थोड़ा और बेटर हो सकता
Yes, sir. When you are in the Parliament and I saw I mean, we cover your speech, right? How do you get that much of energy?
है. पता नहीं, I don't know. Everybody asks.
Is
me, I
there
said,
something over there or the
don't
mic
know.
that you are using? एक feeling आती है, strength आती है कि you are there representing the people of Samastipur.
You know, it's just the whole fact that some people have elected me as their representative and I'm here for them. So I have to give it my best.
Have you gone to Parliament for one of these speeches without eating? नहीं ऐसा कुछ होता है कि मैं कुछ खाऊंगी नहीं तो फिर अच्छे से बोल पाऊंगी नहीं No?
But क्योंकि मेरा स्पीच सेकंड हाफ में होता है जेपी का टाइम हमेशा सेकंड हाफ में आता है
तो खा के ही जाना
खा पी के कॉफी पी के अपना आराम से गए
नींद नहीं आती है लेकिन नहीं लंच के
वो we've
बाद
been in the parliament till 2 a.m.
Oh,
that
yes,
was
of
also
course.
one
Of course.
experience.
How was it? It was, I think, last session, winter session, ना? हाँ.
जब वक्फ आए
वक्फ का discussion हो रहा था.
डिस्कशन हो रहा था so I think
How did you pull it off?
coffee and like everybody was in the parliament so it was a very different experience 2 बजे तक we were there like a lot of journalists were there MPs were there all the ministers were there तो आपको धीरे interact छोटा interaction करते हुए पूरा टाइम चला गया it was really nice.
Okay. If you have to rate the Bihar chief ministers according to their work, how much score would you give to Karpuri Thakur?
I think he had really advocated strongly for a certain section of people and उन्हीं की देन है मतलब socialism में आज भी उनका नाम लिया जाता है so definitely 10 on 10 for him and of course हम उन्हीं की धरती का प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं he is my idol he's somebody that I look up to so it has to be a 10 on 10.
Nitish Kumar?
10 on 10. As a woman, the kind of work he's done for the women of Bihar, I think it's exemplary.
Lalu Prasad Yadav?
I don't want to be like that person जो मतलब वो मेरे से बहुत बड़े हैं and although हम लोग का political differences बहुत ज़्यादा है but I will not give him any rating यार, come on, he's very senior to me, सही नहीं लगता.
All right.
And he's
We'll let
still
him
with
know.
yeah
It's okay.
and he's still with us, so it's not like
Yeah. ठीक है. What's one stereotype around Bihar you wish people would finally stop repeating?
कि हम लोग पान खा के थूक देते हैं. This depiction of Bihari needs to stop.
Oh my goodness.
मतलब कि यार क्या है ये?
Is that a stereotype around
हाँ
Biharis?
हाँ
Yeah.
मतलब एक आप देखो कि जब भी कोई पिक्चर में किसी बिहारी को दिखाना होगा उसको हमेशा मुंह में पान भर के चबाते हुए जरूर दिखाएंगे.
Yeah.
I think UP also for that matter. बिहार
Exactly.
यूपी
I
का
thought
एक
it was
ऐसा
predominantly for UP. Right? That's a
बिहार यूपी
stereotype.
के लोगों
but
को
Bihar-
वैसे ही दिखाते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा
want
नहीं
that
है.
twist.
बिहारी पीपल बहुत नॉर्मल बाकी लोगों जैसे दिखते हैं.
What would be the one thing you would change for students in Bihar?
I think give them a better access to digital education.
Yeah.
I think that is something that is
And you
needed
feel
now.
that there's a need for better universities, even schools over there?
So we have a lot of policies that are being implemented. I said digital education because I was thinking that is one area that is untouched right now. Maybe we need to
Right.
like not just in Bihar but nationally also. We need to come up with a. We should sort of like encourage digital education,
Right.
Because that is the future.
Paper leaks. Is that a failure of system?
Yeah, paper leak is basically related to mismanagement. तो अगर जब मिसमैनेजमेंट होता है तो कहीं ना कहीं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को और सख्ती से पेश आना चाहिए कि ये नहीं हो, क्योंकि ये कहीं और नहीं हो रहा ना. मिसमैनेजमेंट बाकी जगह तो रुक गया है, सो नीड्स टू स्टॉप देयर आल्सो.
If there's a student protest here in Delhi, would you go and
Yeah,
be
of
a part
course.
of it? Yeah.
And but I need to know the reason.
Yes.
And
like
of
the
course I
SSR,
would like to talk to
SSC, the SSC protest that was happening.
Yes. So I would like to talk to them. I would like to be with them, try to understand what they want, and I would try to see student protests. मतलब बिहार तो स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट की धरती रही है, आंदोलन ही की धरती रही है. तो you can't as a young politician I can't alienate myself from student protests. I will never just say कि नहीं ये तो बकवास चल रहा है या ये ऐसा कभी हम नहीं बोलेंगे. I will try to understand what is happening. Even when the BPSC issue was happening, I try to understand. I try to talk to a lot of students. So
Sweet. Caste-based politics, constitutional safeguard or political tool?
caste-based politics. See, caste is a ascribed status. It's not an achieved status. People take caste as their primary identity. So लोगों को उससे alienate कर देना is not possible. They still relate to their caste as brotherhood, right? तो उसको आप ये नहीं कह सकते हो कि and it's very engraved. तो अभी भी caste politics is very predominant in Bihar. But when I say caste politics needs to stop, I'm not saying I'm not going to advocate for the Dalits because I come from a Dalit family and I'm going to continue advocating for them. But to like encourage something wrong just because it is caste based, I think that is wrong.
What would you say to those people who are anti-reservation?
I think they just limit reservation to economic basis, but it's actually social representation. It's basically years and years of untouchability. तो reservation हम लोग को equal करने के लिए है, हम लोग को unequal करने के लिए नहीं है. तो उसको उस angle से देखने का ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You can't like see a bunch of 3-4 people and judge the entire Dalit community based on that. अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो अनटचेबिलिटी से, जो अनइक्वालिटी से जूझ रहे हैं और उनके लिए रिजर्वेशन अभी भी एक बहुत बड़ा टूल है मेन स्ट्रीम में आने के लिए.
The most relevant Ambedkar idea for today's India?
संगठित रहो, शिक्षित रहो, संघर्ष करो. आई थिंक इट इज़ एवरग्रीन और ये सिर्फ आज ही नहीं, ये कल भी उतना ही रेलेवेंट रहेगा.
Last three. One change the opposition should make to win the trust of voters.
Stop blaming third party. कभी EVM को blame करते हैं, कभी election commission को blame करते हैं. Start taking responsibility for your action.
If you could serve one dish to your political rivals, what would it be?
Sarso based something extra spicy. Use a lot of
Wow.
mustard and green chili and lal mirchi in it and just give it to them.
Nothing sweet from Shambhavi.
You mentioned rivals. So I said,
Why
sarso और
not?
mirchi से ज़्यादा क्या
Go
होता
for
है?
it. Finish the sentence. Being a Gen Z MP is like.
Oh, it's a lot of fun, but a lot of responsibility.
Thank you so much, Shambhavi.
Thank you.
For this wonderful
Thank you for the lunch.
and introducing me to this lovely, lovely flavor of Bihar, and wish you all the
Now you have
best.
to come home for better, authentic Bihari food.
I'm gonna eat everything
And
you're
like-
gonna give me because
and-
I'm
and
telling you,
OG
her recommendation is perfect. I mean, if you need Bihar recipes or if you need to have Bihari food, then please watch this video and also refer to what Shambhavi is
Yes.
recommending.
And I will get
Thank
you
you.
Raskadam on your next episode.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, and thank you, viewers. If you loved this video, the first episode, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express, and give some love to Shambhavi also. Thank you.
No trolling.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.